We're on a high price. You see that? So you're not going to see a big arrival of volume in that area. In other words, what's happening there is that the market makers are getting short at a low price off the 60-20. And you're saying, well, that's unusual. That's not exactly what I would have expected, because normally we're cycling this at a higher price or a lower price, and there's usually a big arrival of volume. So obviously when we see that storyline appearing there, we're thinking to ourselves, there's a very heavy short coming in again, guys. And we're obviously going to be very aware of the fact that we're going to get very, very heavy short out of that area there. So obviously you can see the last time we saw a short that was in that condition was this sell trade here as well. And you can see that, again, the probability actually is getting higher on a spinner candle. So that tells us that this is a very, very good short sell again when we see that taking place at 3 o'clock this morning. And obviously in terms of where the buy comes in, it's quite obvious where the buy comes in. You can see we get this situation here where the probability is now almost definite, but it's at a bottom edge. And because it's at the bottom edge, we need to see a big arrival of volumes. Do we see a big arrival of volumes? Let's take a look. So there's NVOL. We see this big arrival of volumes when the green goes below the bottom edge, doesn't it? And that's what we're looking for a buy reversal. And there it is. There's the volume and there's the bottom edge right there, isn't it? So that's going to be your reversal candle right there. And obviously when we're looking across the spreads, we should see the red line at the opposite side above, preferably the green as well. And if the red line's above the green, then the green's below the green, we know that there is a buy reversal coming in, just the same way as this was, the red was below the green here and the green was above the green here. So we know that there's a buy, a sell coming in there. So you see how clear these signals are. You know, we get very, very close to these as plays. And obviously all we've had as signal so far has been a sell trade here, a sell trade here, and a buy trade here. That's it. That's all we've had today in terms of these macro market maker swings, commercial swings. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the commercials in the same place as the market makers. Because obviously if they agree with the sell or they agree with the buy trade, we absolutely can take advantage of that as a storyline. The green needs to be outside the purple. It needs to be on the other side of the purple. And obviously when you see it, it's not too difficult to then recognize it as a story. We got close to a possible sell trade here. Well, it didn't obviously generate a sell. It was just outside the ranges. But obviously the price paused here, and it would be a good location to maybe book some of your lovely profits here.